duck. And you see right here, these are the skin that was cut up. So they use oil to pour, and then so the skin kind of lifts off of the duck itself.
So they cut up the skin and debone the duck for you?
Yeah. So this one,
give you the drumsticks on the side.
Traditionally, what we used to eat for like Chinese, like Canton people, we use the bao, which is like the white bao. A lot of people from like Beijing and northern China, they use what they call like pancakes, a really thin pancake. So what we usually do, so you want to, there's sauce, oyster sauce, there's cucumber, and then there's green onion. So just take a little dab, right? Just kind of like rub it in there. Grab one of these little succulent skins right there. And then your choice, you can grab cucumber if you want. If you don't want cucumber, it's really for the texture and the crunch, but definitely some green onion to break up that fat a little bit. And then you just wrap it like a spring roll.
I'm a little different. I'm definitely going with the fresh duck meat. You know what I'm saying? Definitely going. Chrissy said 2 skins because you know it's a lot of pancake. I'm gonna go 2. You know, I'm gonna go with the green onion, obvi. Cucumber for show. And then you gotta hit it. You gotta have the hoisin. That's fire. The skin by itself absolutely melts. Just melts in your mouth. How thin that is. Yeah. That's all rendered out of it. Check that out. That's how you do Peking Duck. Right? Check out that guy.
Yeah, look at that.
Looking like pig skin. Yeah. Inside the soup. That's like tofu, cabbage, real plain. It's pretty good though. It's refreshing. We had to order another side of pancake because that's what we do. You still get the 2 drumsticks, super crispy. I mean, it's a little hairy, but you know, Chinese people know you just eat right through that. So normal people would think like, I'm gonna take this drumstick and I'm just gonna eat it. Nah, the secret is you gotta break up all this crispiness, all this juicy skin here, and all the meat that's on the underside. Look at that. Comes right off. You just keep going, baby. Make the next pancake. Made her a little self-care mask.
Oil.
Yeah, my proportions are pretty good though. Just saying. I got it pretty good. Just got done with Rong Peking Duck. And we are absolutely stuffed. We had 1 whole duck to 2 people.
Yep.
We ordered some extra pancakes. And I will say it was delicious.
That was great. Great meal. You get soup. I love the soup. It's so good.
Yeah. Soup is, you know, it was really simple, but you can tell it's really nutritious.
Cabbage, tofu.
Yeah, really like good like palate cleanser. And you know, and it really helps like wash down like all that fat that you're eating, because like It's not that, you know, they have fatty duck. It's that, like, duck's naturally fatty.
Yeah. So,
You know? But all in all, I thought for the price,
$60.
60 bucks, it was really good. I mean, I've spent $60 on 2 people on less, or like portion-wise. I just think it was really good.
Yeah.
Like 2 people are absolutely stuffed. If you order like one more thing, like some kind of like pan-fried noodle,
Yeah.
I think
another,
you could fit another 2 people.
Yeah.
Yeah, with like the soup.
Meal.
Yeah. And today's the day you guys find out what a huge height difference we have. So,
Yeah.
yeah. So highly recommend Rong Peking Duck. If you're in LA, Rosemead area, come by, check them out. Till next time.